Hello everyone, welcome to Data Mentor Hub. So before we talk about data science, data analytics, data engineering or any technologies, I want to talk about something much more important. The reason this channel exists, honestly, Data Mentor Hub was not created to be another educational channel. It was created to solve a problem that I believe millions of students and aspiring professionals face today. And if you are a student, a fresher, or someone trying to build a career in data, you have probably experienced it yours. Think about this, you spend years in school, then years in college. You attend lectures, complete assignments, prepare for examinations, work hard for grades. Maybe you even complete certifications and online courses. But then one day you start looking at internships or placements or job descriptions. And suddenly it feels like you are entering a completely different world. The industry talks about business problems, projects, production systems, cloud platforms, data pipelines, stakeholder communications, problem solving, and many students start asking themselves, when was I supposed to learn all this? When was I supposed to learn all this? That question is exactly what lead to a creation of a data mentor hub. I don't believe the problem is that students are not talented. I don't believe problem is that college don't teach anything useful. The real issue is that there is often a disconnect between learning and application, between education and execution, between classroom knowledge and industry expectations. For example, a student may learn SQL but not understand how SQL is actually used by analysts every day. A student may learn Python but never see how it powers real data pipelines. A student may learn machine learning algorithms but never understand how business creates value using them. The individual pieces are taught, but the bigger picture is often missing. And without that bigger picture, a learning can feel confusing. That's why I started Data Mentor Hub. Now to teach random technologies, not to upload isolated tutorials, and definitely not to chase trends. The mission is much bigger. The mission is to help learners understand what to learn, why to learn it, when to learn it, and most importantly, how it is used in the real world. Whether you are a completely new to data or you are already working toward becoming a data analyst, a data scientist, or a data engineer. This channel is being built to guide you through that journey, step by step. What you can expect here? One thing I want to make you clear from the beginning, this channel will not focus only on advanced topics and it will not focus only on beginners. We are going to cover the entire learning journey. That means if a topic requires prerequisites, we will cover those prerequisites. If a technology has foundation, we will cover those foundations. If a concept is used in industry, we will explore its industry application. And if there are advanced tools and technology used by companies, we will eventually get there too. For example, if we talk about data science, we will discuss what it is, the roadmap, the required skill, the mathematics behind it, the statistics behind it, the programming behind it, the projects, the industry application, and eventually the advanced concepts used in real organizations. The same applies to data analytics, the same applies to data engineering, because the goal is not to create viewers, the goal is to create professionals. The My vision for Data Mentor Hub is simple. I want to become a place where students don't feel lost, a place where learning is structured, a place where concepts are connected, a place where people understand not just technologies but also careers, a place where someone can start as a complete beginner and gradually become industry ready. Over time, we will build roadmaps, projects, case studies, career guidance, industry discussions, and a community of learners who all are working towards the same goal. So, if you ever felt overwhelmed by the amount of information available online, if you ever wondered what companies actually expect, if you ever questioned whether you are learning the right things, then you are exactly the kind of a person this channel was created for. I would love to hear from you. Tell me the comments. What is the biggest challenge you are facing in your learning journey right now? Because Data Mentor Hub is not being built around what I meant to teach, it's being built around what learners actually need. Thank you for being here. Welcome to Data Mentor Hub.